Hi everyone and welcome to the third installment of building my own YouTube studio. So today we're going to go back to the first wall. So here's what happened. As you've seen in the last episode, we built it elsewhere and brought it here. Also, we forgot a little bit of the screen. I think we end up never fixing that. So it's okay, we're not mad about it. And we had to nail it to these blocks. So here's what we're doing. We have to drill through the wood and through the blocks and then nail the wood to the blocks. And that's how we secured this specific wall. It was very, very heavy and we quickly decided this was not a good idea. These are the big nails we're using. They are gigantic.
Hi, so today we put up the first wall of the YouTube studio. Let me show you what it looks like. Follow to see the end result.
Here's a little bit of the process. Here's how we do it. First of all, let me tell you how I'm helping. I'm having cereal, and that's about how much I'm helping at this point. I'm clearly done with my cereal because I'm helping. This is how we've done basically everything in this part of the project. We first measure. So this is how we measure. We put the piece in place and just mark it with a pencil and then take it to the machine, cut it. We're using this scary tool right here. I've never used it. I'm a bit afraid of using it. Bring it back and nail it in place.
Second studio wall is up. Let me show you. And we can see the windows.
I've shown you how I'm helping, so let me show you how the cat is helping. This is Silvas, he is the youngest, and you can kind of tell.
New wall up on the YouTube studio today. Let me show you how it looks. Here it is. We also completed the first wall, and here's how it looks.
Very important when you're building something, always make sure you use a level and everything is leveled. We're using very big screws to screw the wood, and these ones were kind of expensive. If you're building your own shed, these kind of things like screws, make sure you budget for it because they are expensive. This tool also helps securing your wood in place, so it might be helpful if you don't have like a lot of people helping. You can see Silvas is still helping. It's very useful.
Here's today's update on the YouTube studio. And we have half a new wall. I'll keep you posted.
This is very important. I'm using a level and I'm trying to keep this piece of wood in place so we nail the other piece of wood correctly, so it doesn't get out of place while we nail it.
And we're done for today. Hi, so let me update you on today's work. The structure is finally finished. Next we'll be building the outside, but for now the entire structure is done. Even this little part that was missing right here, but for now this is what we've done today. And by we, I mean I did nothing.
So once the structure was done, this was the next step. This is the first step to create a good installation. Because it is outside, we don't want any rain to come in and to ruin the wood or the walls. So today I'm going to be helping and placing the rest of the screen, and I'm going to tell you how we do it.
So I am applying this protective layer of whatever this is called. I am not sure. I'm just using a stapler. We had big staples we just put on and they stayed on, and those were great. Now all we have is these tiny ones because we ran out of the other ones, and these need a little bit of help. So I'm using a hammer to help them go in. I'm actually going to Google this. I'm going to Google this right now. So Google says this is a screen. This is what we're calling it, a screen. I'm trying to apply it as flat as possible. I've applied this section. Now I'm going to cut the excess in order to make it nicer and, you know, don't have this flapping around.
And then I just cut the pieces for the windows and I saved those little bits because this is kind of expensive and we can use the little bits to place like in small spaces, like on top, like I'm doing here. Or you can see like this between the windows, we need like small pieces like this. So I'm just going to cut some more screen. But I was visited by this little cute, adorable helper. It seems like Silvas was very present for this part of the project. As you can see, I'm measuring and then cutting. The main structure of the shed was done, but we still needed to finish the porch. So this is what we're doing here, just the last finishing touches on the porch. And look who's here, Josie came to help. Well, as much as she can help. She didn't help a lot, but she tried. So we're giving her credit. Please subscribe if you want to see more of this project. I hope to see you in the next episode. And thank you for watching until the end. That's very cool of you. See you next time.